Hi friends, welcome to English classes. After finishing noun, we will discuss about pronoun. So, what is pronoun? As we can understand through its name, pro means state and noun means nouns. So, it's a state of noun. A word used in place of noun is called pronoun. We to avoid repetition when we speak or write, so you can easily understand when introduced to such sentence. For example, Michael said that Michael could not go to the picnic because Michael's father had not bought Michael a new dress. So here Michael repeat again and again, so it's avoid the repetition of noun. It's a noun. Let's see how. Its right format is Michael said that he Michael he could not go to the picnic because his father had not bought him a new dress. So he, his, him removes the Michael and Michael's and Michael. So it's remove the repetition of a noun, and he have replaced the noun Michael, therefore they are the pronouns. Now, kinds of pronoun. First is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns means pronouns that stand for person or things are called personal pronouns. For stand three persons like this. First is the pronoun I, we, me, and us are the pronouns of first person. Means they are used for person who speak like me. And second is the pronoun you is the pronoun of second person. Means it's used for the person spoken to. And third one is the pronoun him, he, him, she, her, they, them, and it are the pronouns of third person. Means they refer to the person spoken of. So let's see the chart to understand easily what is first person, second person, third person, possessive adjective, and possessive pronouns. These are very important for to understand the pronouns. First person, its singular form I, me, my, mine, and its plural form we, us, our, ours. Second person's you is a singular form and also a plural, and you, your, and yours. You never change. And third person she, he, it, and its plural is they, her, him, it, them, her, his, its, their, and hers, and his. It's changed into theirs. These are the possessive adjectives: my, our, your, her, his, its, and their. And possessive pronouns mine, ours, yours, hers, his. They are the possessive pronouns. Let's see what is nominative case and objective case. Nominative case means I, she, they, we, he, it, you. And objective case me, her, them, us, him, it, you. These are the objective case and these are the nominative case. These are the personal pronouns. Let's see the example and understand them easily. Example number first: I, you, and he may have made a mistake. So I, you, have, these are the nominative case, and you and he have done this mischief. So you and he also a nominative case. Rule number first: an objective case comes after let, like, between, and, but, except, and all prepositions. For example, let me do this work. So me comes after let and objective case comes after let. So always remember, after these words use after objective case after then. Next example, there is no problem between C and I. This is wrong because we always use between, uh, we use objective case after between. Its right format is there is no problem between her and me. Here comes me. So always remember these things. These are very confusing things for point of view of exam and as well as our daily life. Third example is everybody but him was present for the meeting. So but after but we use him here, it's right. And fourth one is he laughed at me. So after at we use me. Fifth one is everybody attended the party except he. Except, I tell you, after accept we use objective case. Objective case means him, it, you, me, her, them, us. These types of words comes in objective case. So here him comes. Everybody attended the party except him, not coming he. So always remember. Now rule number 2, if there is a competition between two nominative cases, then pronoun of the nominative case means I, she, they, we, he, she, it. These types of words, then nominative cases is used after as and then. Two nominative cases means I tell you in earlier. So remember, I, she, they, we, he, it, you. These types of words are if there is a comparison between two nominative cases, then pronoun of the nominative case is used after as and then. Let's see the example. He is as fast as me. So there is a comparison between he and me. So me here not a correct word here, because if there is a comparison between two cases, he and I is the correct word which is used here. Okay. And second example, I run faster than him. So him here is totally wrong because there is a comparison between I and he. So always remember. And let's see the another example for this. I know you as much as him. It's right because there is a not a comparison between I and him. There is the uh, it shows the I know you as much I know him. So remember these types of thing always. Now use of it. This is very confusing pronoun. Some people don't know when we can use them. So today we will try to learn how we can use them and where we can use it. For rule number first is it is used for non-living things, animals, insects and insects. They are plural forms. And for example, America is a developed country. It is a superpower. So America, it's non-living things, developed country. So it is a superpower. It So we can use it here and remove America. Second example, car is a good vehicle. Good vehicle. It saves our time. So sorry, it's I forget this. It saves our time, so we can use it here uh, in the place of car. So these use of it. And second use of second rule is it is used to denote time, weather, temperature, distance, or any other natural event. It is used only as an introductory subject. In case of it, in case of it is called empty it, as it has no meaning here. For example, it is raining, so it has no meaning here. And it is winter, and it is 9 o'clock, it is morning, it is March. So these are some example for where we can use it time to show denote time, weather, temperature, distance, or any other natural events. So here it has no meaning. Rule number third, it is also used in place of infinitive clause, means two plus verbs first form, and gerund. For example, it is easy to solve it, so it's remove here infinitive clause. And it is said that virtue of its own reward, so it's replace here infinitive clause and gerund. Rule number 4 is it is used in the sentence as subject to emphasize on noun or pronoun. To emphasize on noun and pronoun. For example, it was who made this mistake. So it emphasizes who made this mistake. Okay. Then rule number 5 is it is used to introduce a phrase or clause. For example, that the record will break is probable. So that the record will break today. It's a phrase. So it's a phrase. So we can write it. It is probable that the record will break today. So we can write it as it, and we can remove introduce a phrase or clause here. Now, difference between this and it. These both are very confusing. Some people use this in place of it, and some people use this in place of it. So what is this? This is used to point out a person, thing, introduce identity, distance, or a singular noun. Here it will not come. So introduce, to point out towards a person, thing, introduction, identity, distance, or a singular noun. Let's see the example. How? This is a book, this is my pen. So here this introduce a book and a pen, so we can't use here it. And it denotes distance, time, weather, etc. he this is not here. So sorry it, so it's here. This is not used for such purpose. This is not used for such purpose means distance, time, weather. It denotes, it's always denotes these type of things. For example, it is 10 a.m. It is winter. It is tonight, and there is a note. Noun can be used after this. For example, this book is mine. So noun always comes after this, and and it after it we can't use a noun. If we want to write its statement through it, so we can write it is my book, or this book is mine. So both are structure what are different, but meaning is same. This is the end of pronouns or personal pronouns. Next video we will be discuss about reflexive pronouns and another pronouns. Thank you for watching my channel.